Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna do a once inside my baby born diaper bag. Right now I'm just using this tote bag till I can afford an actual diaper bag this size. I had diaper bags but they're can't really meet my accommodation with my dolls, so I'm using this tote bag because I have a lot more space to put stuff in. So let's get started. I'm just gonna open this up. Sorry about that. And first I have, these are Abdullah's bottles. As you can see, they're boy designs. Okay, D is a boy. Next I have, these are Boucher's bottles. And I have some fake formula. Some brushes, paint brushes. A bib. Another bib. Some extra clothes and a burp cloth. Some wipes. Boucher's bowl. Abdullah's bowl. Some food coloring. Actually, these are their clothes. This bag was just changing pads and burp cloth. And this one's extra clothes. Next are the food packets I made, along with instructions. Tap to put water in. Some powder. Powder their pacifiers. A hygiene kit. We have some diaper cream, some lotion, and some powder. Also, their spoons. Another powder for their pacifiers. And last but not least, we have some diapers. And that's everything. You can see. Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe. Bye.